Today we are going to troubleshoot the error 104. Error 104 comes when the plasma arc goes out while the plasma start signal is on. The most typical issues are worn out consumables, wrong cutting parameters, cutting out of plate or to avoid and using a wrong type lead out. Check that you have correct consumables and replace them if they are worn. You can see a separate video about changing consumables. You will find a link to the video in the description. Wrong cutting parameters. Open the thermodynamics application and verify you have the correct cutting parameters. Cutting out of the plate or into a void. In the video you can see that the torch cuts into an existing hole. This causes the current to lose its path back to the plasma and the arc is shut off. Realign your cutting program and continue to cut on the plate. In this video you see a hole being cut with the lead out. When the torch cuts the hole, the centerpiece will drop out before the torch gets to the end of the cut. This makes the torch cut into a void, causing error 104. Here is a hole with a 90-degree lead out. As the plasma cuts and gets near the end, at the point where the edges of the curves meet, the centerpiece drops out. After this, there is no material in the center. That causes the same situation as if you would cut out of the plate. When cutting holes, do not use a lead out, instead use an overburn. This is basically a lead out with the same radius as the hole. This way, the arc has always contact to the plate and the plasma can do a controlled arc-off sequence. Using a lead outs in a hole can greatly reduce consumable life. Wrong cutting height. In the video you can see that the torch is cutting very high. Even though the torch is cutting higher than it should, it still keeps the arc on. If we further increase the height, the arc will go out and that results in a 104 error. Lower your cut height and/or arc voltage and continue to cut. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.